In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the backlog in Jira, whether you're a project manager, a developer, or just someone trying to keep their tasks organized. Understanding your backlog is crucial for effective project management. So let's dive in and explore how you can access and make the most of your Jira backlog. First, you'll want to open Jira and navigate to your project. It's essential that you're in the right project because each project can have its own unique backlog, reflecting the tasks and issues pertinent to that specific area. So make sure you're set on the correct one. Once you're in your project, head over to the top navigation menu and click on Backlog. This section holds all the tasks that are scheduled to be tackled in the future. For those of you using Scrum, the backlog consists of issues that are planned for upcoming sprints, so you're likely to see tasks lined up for subsequent cycles. And if you're working with a kanban setup, things are a little different. Kanban users need to ensure that backlog visibility is enabled in the board settings. Don't worry, I'll cover how to do that a little later in this video. Upon opening your backlog, you'll see several key elements. First up are the backlog issues. This is essentially a list of all the tasks that are waiting for your team's attention. If you have an active sprint running, it will appear above your backlog. This helps give you a clear picture of what's already in progress and what's queued up next. If you want to delve into the specifics or make changes to a particular task, just click on an issue. This will open the issue details where you can view or edit the particulars of the task. It's a great way to keep track of what's happening at a granular level. Now, one handy feature to utilize is the drag and drop functionality. This allows you to reorder issues within your backlog according to priority. It's particularly helpful for teams to visualize and align on what's most critical at any given time without altering the big picture. For those on Kanban who don't see a backlog, here's how you can enable it. You'll need to navigate to project settings, then click on features. From there, locate backlog and toggle it on. This simple step makes it visible, allowing you to manage your tasks more effectively. There you have it, a straightforward guide to accessing and understanding the backlog in Jira. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming more organized and proactive with your project management. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.